Alright, today is, what is today? It's December 25. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. Utah snowstorm, the first real snowstorm this year. And I got my wolf pack out here. And one of the foster dogs, Pogo, right there, that's Pogo. He's kind of an odd looking fucker. Yeah, that's nice. Keep doing that. Yeah, hey. Pogo. Some really aggressive personalities, just like people. That's Rienzi, dealing with her eye infection. Nothing seems to be improving, nothing's getting worse. See, it's still really dark. I'm just an early morning person, I like getting up early. This is Kodiak. That's Big Blue. That's Flanders. That dog smiles. Very happy dog. Yeah. Here's a little dog pen. It's my millionaire neighbor. Yeah, my neighbor don't have a pot to piss in. Yeah. Lots of snow. Too many projects. At least I got some of my better cars covered this year. Yeah. I've been to Banff, up in Calgary, Lake Louise, Banff Springs Hotel. They get real snow. Anchorage, Alaska, used to live there. They get real snow. Utah, it's good for a couple of big storms. That's about it. Mountains, yeah, they get plenty of storms. But down here, snowstorms ain't worth a shit. This is nothing. They just like this cold. They love jumping up and down in the cold, fluffy snow. It's a very odd dog. Well, my battery's going on this thing. But there it is. December 25, Sunday, 2016. I think it's like 6 in the morning or so. At least it gets the pollution out of the air. It's kind of a version of acid rain when that shit comes down. Not bad. Alright, gang. We'll see you on the next YouTube. If you want a dog, this guy with Pogo is pretty cool. You can see how much snow got a hit on this old Benz. This one runs. Ramsey, how you doing, buddy? Huh? That's the winter coat. That's why I don't shave them in the winter. So they have a real winter coat. Catch you later, man. See you on the next YouTube. You can see it's a whiteout today. Otherwise, you'd be able to see the mountains. Alright.